Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to remove background on any picture with just with one click, and how to do this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just follow the instruction. So you have to capture any kind of picture which you wanted to change the background, and once after it's been captured you just have to follow the instruction. Just open up your Safari, and you just have to go to Google Chrome. Let it be anything, so you just have to go to Google Chrome. Now from here you just have to search for background remover, right? You just have to search for it, background remover. Just search for this on your Google Chrome and go for it. And first you have to select the first one, which is www.remove.bg. you just have to select this up, so just select this. From here what you have to do is just have to tap on upload image and just click on photo library and select the respective photo which you wanted to change the background, and just go for choose. And as you can see that this is going to take a little bit time, and this will be successfully removed the background. And now as you can see that this is how it looks. Now what you have to do is click on download icon at the bottom and just go for download. And now it is done, and now you'll be wondering to see the image how it looks like. So you just have at the top there is a download icon, right? So you just have to click on that at the right and just click over there, and this is how it looks like. And at the bottom on the left side there is an icon, so you just have to select it and just go for save image, so that this image will be automatically done to the photos. You just have to click on the photos, and as you can see that the background has been successfully removed, and this is what it's all about it. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.